Hello everyone! It's Italian time! Today this video is for the beginners. So I've started learning Chinese and I realized that it's so useful to learn some kind of like phrases that I can use when I talk about my day-to-day life. Like how do you say watch a movie? How do you say make a cake? How do you say read a book? Stuff like that. For you today, my Italian learner, I created a list of 10 things that you can do in your house so you can start building up your vocabulary. Let's start with the phrase number 1. Numero uno. Numero uno è fare I biscotti. Fare I biscotti. Make the cookies. How do you say I make cookies? Io faccio I biscotti. I made cookies. Ho fatto I biscotti. I made cookies. Instead of biscotti, you can say a cake if you made a cake. Fare una torta, to make a cake. Or you can make pasta. Ho fatto la pasta. Frase numero 2, phrase number 2 of things you can do in your house is I don't like to do it. Pulire la casa. Clean the house. Io pulisco la casa. I clean the house. I clean my house pretty much. I cleaned my house. Io ho pulito la casa. But again, you can use this verb with something else. I cleaned the bathroom. Ho pulito il bagno. Ho pulito le scarpe. I cleaned my shoes. Frase numero 3. Leggere un libro. Read a book. Io leggo un libro. I read a book. Past. Io ho letto un libro. I read a book. But you can also read a magazine. Magazine is rivista. Leggo una rivista. Frase numero 4. Brian likes this, my husband. Giocare alla PlayStation. Giocare alla PlayStation. Io gioco alla PlayStation. Present. Past. Io ho giocato alla PlayStation. O giocare all'Xbox. O giocare a Monopoly. Frase numero 5. Fare un disegno. Un disegno is a drawing, a painting, a drawing. Faccio un disegno. It's pretty much I draw. Ho fatto un disegno. Past. Frase numero 6. Guardare la TV. Watching TV. Io guardo la TV. I watch TV. Past. Io ho guardato la TV. Or you can say watch a movie. Guardare un film. Or you can say watch the news. Guardare il telegiornale. Frase numero 7. Fare I compiti. Do the homework. Do your homework. Io faccio I compiti. I do my homework. Io ho fatto I compiti. I did my homework. Frase numero 8. Chiamare un amico. To call a friend. Io chiamo un amico. I call a friend. Io ho chiamato, past, un amico. Or you can say call your mom. Ho chiamato mamma. Chiamo papà. I call dad. Frase numero 9. Lavorare in giardino. To work in the yard. Io lavoro in giardino. Ho lavorato in giardino. So lavorare, to work. You can even just say I worked. Ho lavorato. I work. Io lavoro. Last phrase is number 10. Numero 10. Riordinare la stanza. La stanza, the room. Riordinare, to tidy. Tidy up. Tidy up your room. Io riordino la stanza. Ho riordinato la stanza. Guys, I know that at the beginning it's really time consuming to memorize all these new words, especially if your native language is a language that is really far from Italian. I get it. I had to do it with Japanese and I'm doing it with Chinese. I know it's hard, but repetition here is key. So use these 10 verbs that I gave you with the nouns and try and make sentences. Easy sentences. You might feel bad about writing like I make pasta, I watch TV, I do this, but it's useful. Do your homework. Fai I compiti. Thank you for watching and let me know if you want to have more videos for beginners just like this. See you!